Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to find End City in Minecraft. So let's get started. To find End City in Minecraft, first you need to go to a stronghold. Be sure to bring these materials. Now fill the portal with ender eyes. And enter the end. You need to defeat the Ender Dragon in the End dimension. Once victorious, an End Gateway portal will appear. After killing the dragon, go to the Gateway portal. Look for the floating bedrock portal with a steady center. This is the End Gateway portal. Jump into the portal to be teleported to the End Outer Islands like this. You may need to create bridge over islands like this. Or use Ender Pearl to get over. Let's briefly discuss what End Cities are. End Cities are structures found within the End dimension of Minecraft, housing valuable loot including the prize elytra, shulker shells and many more. But finding them is no easy task. Eventually you'll find the End City. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.